welcome to episode 6 of my free 6-part video series regarding my core and back immersion therapy. First and foremost, I want to express my immense gratitude to each and every one of you who has watched our video series so far. The messages and emails I have received from you have truly humbled me. You are all incredible individuals and subscribers. I'm so thankful and blessed to know each one of you so far. However, I must apologize if I haven't responded to any of your messages because my inboxes are overflowing with questions about my core and back immersion therapy. But don't worry, I'll be addressing all of your questions right now. That's why I made this video 6 to answer about my core and back immersion therapy. So number one question is this course great for beginners or for advanced levels? If you haven't worked out in your entire life, this is perfect for you because it's gentle. It's great for beginners. There's going to be equipment needed, of course, so that you can be doing the exercises safely. And is it also great for advanced practitioners? Guess what? If you're doing Pilates and yoga already, or you're weightlifting, running, but you're having back pain, this is great for you because you're going to be surprised. You need to slow down and reconnect because once you have back pain, guess what? You have disconnection on your spine. You're going to have a lot of difficulty engaging your core, and this is great for you. It's not too late to engage them, and you just can't go back to working out like that because if you just work out heavy and high intensity, you're just going to create more pain. And that's why this program is great for absolute beginners to advanced level. And I have a lot of students with different kind of lifestyle. They all benefited from this program. It prevents injuries. They're going to learn a lot about how to connect again with the core. And they're surprised. They can't believe they haven't felt that way. The next question is, do I need any equipment? Yes, you will need a physio ball, an elastic band, and a bolster. If you don't have a bolster yet, you can utilize a rolled towel for absolute beginners. And you want to make sure the elastic band is not too much resistance. The purpose of that is to slowly progress, and then you can slowly add more resistance as you get stronger. The next question is, who is this course for? It's great for those with scoliosis, costochondritis, even occipital neuralgia, anyone with diastasis recti, umbilical hernia, C-section, postpartum, and even for those with quadratus lumborum pain, one-sided weakness, muscle imbalances. And that's why you need to slowly connect and learn which one is your tight area, which one is your weaker area, and how to really build the strength in a more balanced way. I know there's not perfect balance of our body because of the hand dominance, but because of pain, there's going to be too much muscle imbalance. The tilt on your pelvis, the hunch on your thoracic spine, and so much more. The next question is there going to be Zoom meeting calls? Yes, and that's why once you join the class, I'll send you the email on how to access me so I could guide you and do proper assessments. I am so thrilled to announce that the registration of my back masterclass will open in the next few days. And that's why one of the last questions is there's going to be a private Facebook page. Yes. And that will be our community. So I could motivate, encourage you with the like-minded back pain warriors. So those who have signed up for the early bird waitlist and you have a higher chance of securing the spot. Because I will be only accepting a limited number of new students, only 20. Because I want to ensure personalized attention and support. I just don't want to have thousands of students there because that's not going to be fair. Because the Zoom calls will be overwhelming already. So you want to join the early access here right now. There is still time to do so. So click the link on the description below. Be part of the early bird waitlist for first come, first served basis. However, it is crucial to act promptly. Once you receive the early bird registration email to secure a spot, I have a way to do it. So once you receive the email on September 30, Saturday at 10 a.m., you need to refresh your inbox until you receive the early bird waitlist. Open the email, click the link, and secure your spot as soon as possible. But in order for you not to forget, usually I use my phone calendar. I place it there so that I have a reminder. Because as I said, if you missed out, there's going to be a rush on the registration page. And I hope that you can make it. But if not, then there's going to be in the next 3 months before you can join the class. But if you're desperate and you need my help, because I have a lot of my clients who already fixed their problem, even from my subscribers, because I have a lot of playlists on my YouTube channel. However, some of you might need that hand-to-hand support because sometimes it's overwhelming about back pain. I hope this addresses some of your questions. In the coming days, I will release a video and page with more information and a detailed course outline. So you're going to learn more what you're going to be facing. But please remember that I prefer to keep my online classes small and intimate to provide the necessary support and guidance for optimal results, hand in hand guiding you safely with my Zoom calls, Facebook private page, and direct access with me with my emails. So therefore, it is essential to follow the instructions provided to increase your chances of getting into the class. Before I put the registration to the public with my thousands of followers from my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Once they get that access, only 20 people, and there's going to be a countdown of closing the class. Setting a reminder on your phone is the best way so you won't miss out on September 30, Saturday. Might be a good idea to ensure you don't miss the deadline. There will be likely a rush to the registration page, so being one of the first to visit the sign-up page will secure your spot. I can't believe how much I have covered in our free 6-part video series. It has been an incredible experience sharing this journey with our community. We are excited to continue this success with my YouTube channel as I recovered 5 years ago from my car accident, and after I recovered, utilizing the techniques I've been using for a lot of years as a physical therapist, Pilates, and yoga instructor, which became a blessing in disguise for me because once I recovered, I really felt it. I felt the need and desperate, not just in the local community of Texas, but all over the world. I've been meeting a lot of people already. It's amazing to reach out with this technology of social media. So if you want to continue the success with my program and help yourself and really finally regain your life without back pain, a stronger core, and improve overall posture, please join my class, and I hope to see you inside. If you love my video and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything, like and share this video. Every like you're giving to my channel, you are supporting me, and I'm thankful for every like you're putting right now. And that's all from me from now. I hope you enjoyed this video series so far. If you missed the video one, please watch this one first. Learn more about core and back immersion therapy, and then jumpstart your core now. Do the video too. Learn about breathwork and neutral spine. Until my next video training, always remember, be well, be healthier you. See you inside the class. Bye!